6 simple exercises that will transform your body. Are you looking to transform your body into your dream body in no time? If so, this is the right video for you because we have 6 perfect exercises to help you do just that. Watch all 6 exercises because there is plenty to gain from every one of them. Fitness gyms are trendy among those looking to become more fit. Although joining a gym has its perks, it is not an absolute requirement to get in shape. You can do several exercises at home that can help you slim down and tone your muscles. Here are 6 simple exercises that will transform your body, and each exercise can be done at home. Jumping jacks. Stand upright with your arms at your sides and your feet close together. Bend your knees only slightly enough to give you momentum as you jump straight up. As your feet leave the floor, spread your legs to about shoulder width. At the same time, stretch your arms out and swing them up over your head. When your feet reach the floor, jump up again as you move your feet close together and swing your arms back to your sides. Repeat this movement at a steady pace for at least 30 seconds. Lunges. Stand upright with your feet around hip width apart. You can keep your hands at your hips or clasp at the chest level. Take a large step forward with your right foot and lower your body until your right leg forms a 90-degree angle at the knee and your left knee is touching, or at least almost touching, the ground. Hold your lunge for 2 seconds before lifting your body and your right leg back to your starting position. Continue with your right side lunges until you've completed at least 15 reps. Switch legs and do the same number of reps with the left leg. Push-ups. Get down on all fours and carefully plant your palms slightly wider than your shoulders. Make sure to keep your arms straight. Straighten out your legs so that your toes are tucked under and pressed onto the ground. Keep your body straight and bend your elbows as you lower yourself down until your chest is close to the ground. Hold the lowest position for a second before pushing yourself back up to where your elbows are held straight. Repeat until you've completed at least 10 push-ups. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your legs close together and your hands right below your hips. Keep your legs straight as you harness power from your core to slowly lift both legs straight until your soles point directly towards the ceiling. Hold this position for 2 seconds before slowly lowering your legs back down. Don't let your feet touch the floor. Instead, slowly raise it up again and repeat the whole exercise until you've completed 15 leg raises. Hip bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet firmly planted on the floor. Keep your hands at your sides with your palms facing down. Lift your hips off the ground until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the top position for 2 seconds before slowly lowering your hips back down. Repeat until you've completed 20 hip bridges. High planks. Get down on all fours and carefully place your palms slightly wider than your shoulders. Make sure to keep your arms straight. Straighten out your legs and make sure that your toes are tucked under and pressed onto the ground. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your toes. Hold this position for at least 30 seconds before easing your body back down. These 6 simple exercises that will transform your body are movements you can easily do at home. Do them daily or as regularly as your schedule will allow. They might seem difficult initially, but persevere and you will quickly notice the effects on your body. Soon enough, you will enjoy not only significant weight loss, but also the toned and slender body you did not think would be possible without going to the gym or getting a professional trainer. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.